Samsung has quietly introduced the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra in an unexpected move. No grand event, no major announcement, just a simple press release. At first glance, it may seem like not much has changed, but dig a little deeper, and there are key hardware and software upgrades that could change how you use the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Let's dive into the major updates and features that make this device stand out. The anti-reflective screen is by far the standout feature of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, offering a vastly improved user experience, especially in bright conditions. If you compare it to last year's S9 Ultra, the difference in screen reflection is stark. The Tab S10 Ultra virtually eliminates glare, allowing you to use the device comfortably in outdoor settings or brightly lit environments. Samsung has confirmed that this is the same anti-reflective technology used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, though they've remained tight-lipped on whether Gorilla Glass armor is being used. Whether or not Gorilla Glass is involved, the screen's anti-reflective properties are a huge win for users who often work or watch media outdoors. Indoors, the difference might not be as noticeable, but outdoors, this could be a game changer, making reading and content consumption in sunlight far easier. In an era where many tech companies are moving away from expandable storage, Samsung continues to stand out by supporting microSD cards on their flagship tablets. The Tab S10 Ultra takes this a step further by increasing the microSD card capacity to 1.5 terabytes, a significant jump from the 1 terabyte support found on the S9 Ultra. This is excellent news for media lovers, especially those who store large files like high-resolution videos, photos, or games. Samsung has made significant improvements in cooling by equipping the Tab S10 Ultra with a vapor chamber that's 1.48 times larger than the one found in the S9 Ultra. A larger vapor chamber means better heat dissipation, which should help keep the tablet cooler during intensive tasks like gaming, video editing, or multitasking with several demanding apps. The Tab S10 Ultra is powered by the brand new MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, marking a departure from Samsung's usual reliance on Snapdragon or Exynos processors in its flagship tablets. This partnership with MediaTek is intriguing as it brings several performance enhancements to the table. Samsung claims an 18% improvement in CPU performance, a 28% boost in GPU performance, and a 14% increase in NPU performance. These improvements result from optimizations made in collaboration with MediaTek, particularly to enhance Galaxy AI functionality. On paper, the Dimensity 930 Plus is expected to perform similarly to Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Early benchmarks suggest that the Dimensity 930 Plus may even be more power efficient than Snapdragon's offer, which could lead to longer battery life under heavy usage. The real test will come in how well the chipset holds up under sustained performance. Snapdragon chips have traditionally excelled in this area, so it will be interesting to see how MediaTek's chipset fares in real-world testing. Samsung is taking a major step forward with software support for the Tab S10 Ultra, offering a staggering 7 years of updates. This is a significant leap from the 4 years of support offered for the S9 Ultra and S8 Ultra. For buyers, this means peace of mind, knowing that their device will stay current with the latest features, security patches, and performance enhancements for a long time. This extended software support adds considerable value to the Tab S10 Ultra. Long-term software updates ensure that your device remains secure and compatible with new apps and features, potentially extending its usable lifespan beyond that of its competitors. This makes the Tab S10 Ultra a solid investment, particularly for those who want a tablet that will stay relevant for years to come. While the Tab S10 Ultra comes with all of the new Galaxy AI features, it's worth noting that these features are not exclusive to this model. Samsung has confirmed that many of the AI functionalities will be available on the Tab S9 Ultra, and even the Tab S8 Ultra, thanks to upcoming software updates. This means that while AI features are exciting, they may not be a strong enough reason to upgrade if you're already using a recent Samsung tablet. One of the more puzzling decisions Samsung made with the Tab S10 Ultra is offering it only in a Wi-Fi model, with no option for a cellular version. This is especially strange considering that the Tab S10 Plus does come with a cellular option. The new tablet, which is available for pre-order, will officially launch on October 3rd, 2024. It will be available in Moonstone Grey and Platinum Silver, with the base model starting at $1,200 for the 256GB version. For users who need more storage, the 512GB and 1TB versions are also available, along with support for up to 1.5TB of expandable microSD storage. What do you think? Will these new features persuade you to invest in this device, or do you think it still has room for improvement? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for tech news.